How to mark message on read at Facebook Messenger. Hello everyone, my name is Smile, and in this video I will show you how you can do this. First of all, make sure that you have installed the latest version of Messenger Facebook on your device. After that, you can simply log into your device. After logging into your device, a pop-up will be seen on your interface with many messages loaded on it. And you want to see someone's video, someone's message, but you want them not to know that you have seen their message or not, and you want to mark it as unread. Then how you can do this? So to do that, I will try it in this one account right here. That is my own account. When I tap on this and go back, you can see that I've already read it, and the person will be able to know that I've already read the message. Now to mark it as unread, I can simply long press on the account right here. See many options, and there is the option of mark as unread with the envelope icon on it. When I tap on this, it will be unread. When I again tap on this, it will be read. Again, I can untap it, long press and tap it as mark as unread. So this is how you do it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do thumbs up, subscribe and comment on our video.